Baba baba booey, baba baba booey, baba 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 booey, baba baba booey, baba baba booey, baba baba booey, baba 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 booey, baba baba booey. Bruh. What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
So, I haven't uploaded a full video in a long time, but I have made a bunch of Bacon and Bob animations because I'm planning for those to go viral. One of them and I haven't really been doing a bunch of SoundCloud falling down tests. And as you guys know, I got DC motor, and I did a ceiling fan falling down thing like last night because I tried to make a video with it, but I got bored with it and it's kind of tangled up now. But I'll try to tape back up the blades and we will do DC motor versus that. Also, if you're saying that I'm wasting it, I have like bags and bags of new blades for this. So, yeah, let's see what will happen to it. Also, just so you know, this will be the camera angle. Look at this thing. It's fixed. Let's do this. I have to redo this, bro. Wow. So basically this broke. I never thought that would actually happen. Because I thought these things were strong, but not up to this fan, I guess. But that was pretty interesting, actually. I just need to kind of find my bags now, because I'm sure I didn't leave them at the hotel. It's kind of sad. Yeah, let me just find them. I found them. Oh, me. Jeez, I have a bunch of these. I told you guys that I had a bunch of these. Yeah. Yeah, let me just fix this now. Yep, here it is now. Yeah, that was actually, I'm like confused. I didn't think it would break off. I mean, look at the other one. Wow. Oh, yeah. I guess I could just... Oh, God. Oh, come on. Okay, just gotta take my thumbnail picture. I was going to drop it on this, but I'll break a blade, and I don't want that to happen again. Because this is a wheel? Alright, I have my wheel here, but, yeah, I need to clean this area up. It works, but I need to clean this area up. Oh, sorry. Oh, wait, what? Okay. What? What? Alright, now place it here, and I'm gonna fall down again. Oh my god, that was excellent. Yep, I finished doing that, but here's the view for now. Yeah, nothing really happened. Oh! Yeah, the blade probably just broke on that, and